Starbucks is a big deal all over the world, but their merch is extremely popular in Korea, of all places. I've read stuff before about how they'll have new merch lines or something, new merch products or something, and the lines will get out the door and around the block in Korea to pick up this kind of stuff when it launches. So, and it gets in the way of their regular sales of coffee for the regular customers. So what they're doing is they're scaling back. They're reducing their product marketing, focusing more on the actual sales of coffee, which is what they sell. So in Korea. So I see that, and that's all awesome and great, and thank you so much, Starbucks. And then you see this story where they come up with a new Pantone merchandise collection, which is available at select Starbucks stores across the Asia Pacific. If you're not in the print business, you don't know what Pantone is, but Pantone's a color system we use for matching. So that means if I say Pantone pink on this bottle, we'll match Pantone pink on this paper or on this shirt or whatever. So it's just an ink matching system that everybody uses, and that's kind of what we do. So the collab with Pantone is awesome because the Pantone colors are there. The color identifiers, the chip is on the thing. It's a little chip. These little square chips that we use to identify colors. So, and that's used for matching, and the guys on the press can ink, can use it to match ink and things like that. I mean, the line looks great, but I don't understand why. I mean, and I would love to have this stuff. I mean, I'm a Pantone, I'm a fan of it, so it would be cool to have it. And I'm a fan of Starbucks. The Starbucks collection is available at select Starbucks stores across Asia Pacific. The collection includes 6 times of drinkware and 4 lifestyle accessories. What are those? A tote bag, bottle, looks like a little makeup bag. 4 lifestyle accessories. What is it? Umbrella. Colors are knockout pink, brilliant blue, and cockatoo. The collection aims to inspire bold ideas and new experiences for the summer season. Again, if you're having problems with people camping out at your stores just to buy the merch and not buying I guess you make money on your merch, but gee whiz,